Hola amigos! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious whole food plant-based oil-free curry. My videos are originally in Spanish, but I also wanted to share them in English. So bear with me in this voiceover. I make videos every week of whole food plant-based oil-free recipes, so consider subscribing if you like to see more. Now let's go to the recipe. The ingredients that we're gonna use are half a block of extra firm tofu that we're gonna cut in medium-sized pieces, 5 medium-sized potatoes, 2 large carrots that we're gonna chop in medium-sized pieces, 2 cups of fresh kale, a cup of lentils, or a cup of pre-cooked chickpeas, a cup of peas. To make it low-fat, I'm using soy milk, but you can use any plant-based milk that you like. 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos, a tablespoon of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of coriander or fresh cilantro, a teaspoon of cardamom, a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of black pepper, chili flakes to taste, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 2 inches of grated ginger, and 4 cups of water. We're gonna start by chopping the potatoes in medium-sized pieces. Then we're gonna put them in a big pot with the rest of the ingredients. And then we're gonna give them a stir so we can incorporate them all together. And now let's cook it. We're gonna leave it boil for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we're gonna lower the temperature to medium and we're gonna leave them cook for 45 minutes or an hour if you like it to be more thick. And that's it, my friends. Our curry is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with sushi rice or arborio rice, on a pita bread, or any way you like it. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe if you like to see more videos of whole food plant-based recipes with no oil. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one.